Students, welcome to your first unit on advertising. You should have just completed reading and taking notes on the advertising information. Now it's time to do your assignment. For your assignment, what you'll do is you'll click on this pages thing where it says Advertising Techniques Assignment. You'll click on it, and eventually there will be video instructions for how to complete the assignment. But what you'll do is you'll click on this link right here. After clicking on the link, what you're going to do is it's going to bring up an advertising techniques page. When you're in this advertising techniques page, the first thing that you're going to do is you should have just learned about 5 different advertising techniques. You're going to choose these 5 videos up here, and if you click on the name, what will happen is it'll take you to a YouTube video. After watching the YouTube video, I want you to put the commercial that you think goes in there. So let's say Audi is this one, and I want you to tell me why you think it talks about bandwagon in this commercial. Okay, so then you'll go through all of those. Once you have completed all 5 of those as kind of practice, now you're going to demonstrate, all right, can they find their own? Can they recognize their own without any help? So now you're going to actually go to YouTube. Once you find a bandwagon example, you're going to copy and paste the URL in here. That would be the www. whatever. Okay, and then you're going to give me a justification of why you believe that was a YouTube or why you believe that was a good example of bandwagoning or glittering generalities. Once you're done with this assignment, you're going to go up to File, Download As, and you're going to download it as a PDF. After you download it as a PDF, if you notice on my computer, in just a second, you're going to see it pops up. And now I'm going to open my PDF. Okay? And then what I have to do is I have to save this PDF to, let's say, my desktop. I'm going to go Save As to my desktop. Then it's not turned in yet. What you have to do, and I don't want you to share it with me, but I want you to make sure you upload it to the course. And how you upload it to the course is, so if I come back to the course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to where it's the eventually the open hand thing. And there will be an open hand that says Advertising Techniques Assignment. And you'll click on that. And after clicking on that, you'll go to Submit your document. And I'm going to show you an example here, okay, where it says Add Submission. So I'd go Add Submission, and then I would make sure I add whatever I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm going to go down. Okay, I want to put my file right here. I would drag or copy and paste in there, and I would hit Save Changes. That will make sure it submits your assignment. If you're confused on how to submit assignment, please ask. But this is the directions on how to complete your advertising technique assignment.